Hi everyone, this is Rio from CalSauce Systems. We have covered most of the updates on Wave 2 and we're almost at the end. Today we'll go over the onboarding and service and platform updates. So there are many companies that are trying to shift to cloud environment, and this new release allows the onboarding easier than before. The processes of setting up to install apps to Business Central will be quicker. Also, the service and platform are updated to run various sizes of businesses. So this new feature provides the new users to access easily to app setup page from the extension management page. From the extension management page, you can go and set up page directly, both vertical add-ons and smaller productivity apps. You can use installed app faster by setting up in Business Central. And ISV add-ons for Dynamics 365 Business Central will be easier for onboarding processes. Before this release, after you install apps, users needed to go to the extension management page and initiate the installation and look for deployment status subpage and other information. However, now there's an app installation guide, and first it will ask you if the users want to wait for the installation, and users can initiate the setup page that was brought by the app. This update will make the users to install and set up the app smoothly. And there are other new features from this update. You can identify which third-party add-ons and external business productivity service will be the right app for your business. And you can easily connect to your core service. Also, the app source can suggest the users the right apps, and users can filter by category to find apps. Another feature is that there are more clear function description for each page. It provides better tooltips and will be easier to understand for new onboarding users. So we already know that there is Power BI report and Business Central to analyze data. And now you can install from Microsoft App Source, and this will provide you with reports of performance, stability, and usage of Business Central. And these are a list of what will be included in each report. And these reports can help make quicker decision making. And there are, of course, other updates on service and platform. Now the data stack inside the Business Central server has two optimizations for faster data stack. One is that it will not join data from extension that has fields used to filter flow fields unless flow field is calculating. Another is that it will not load data from obsolete fields unless the session is running upgrade code. And the other new feature is that to prevent compilation failure. So when installing app that is not same version with the system, it will likely fail. Compilation should be done against the apps version that are actually installed for the environment. So to prevent problems and increase stability for the environment operation, compilation will not be done against the actual installed app source app. And the last update for today is that the page view telemetry in Application Insight is available on premises system. This allows you to monitor which pages are being used in the environment by using the KQL or the Dynamics 365 Business Central Usage app in Power BI. Both of them are free and open source, so every user can access it. And here are the updates for onboarding and service and platform. Thank you for watching. The next video will be the last video of Wave 2. So I will see you on the next video. Bye.